Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to send a message on Zoom. But before we begin, let's hear a quick message from a video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you find my video helpful at all and you would like to support my channel, please try out my Amazon Prime free trial. With this trial, you get free Prime delivery. You don't have to pay shipping fees anymore. Exclusive discounts for students. Listen to 70 million songs ad-free. Watch award-winning movies and TV shows. And you try all of this completely free of charge. If you don't like it, you can simply cancel before they charge you, okay? You can find a link to this free trial in my video description. It's completely free, 6 months for students and 30 days for everyone else. Thank you for watching and get back to your video. All right, welcome back. Now, like I said, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send a message on Zoom. To begin, we'll first open up the Zoom app like I have here. Once you have it open, go to your contacts, okay? And then inside contact, do you see over here where it says external contacts? Click on that. Find the person who you would like to message. So for example, I'll use this contact right here and I'll tap on them. And then I'll tap on where it says, let's see, chat over here. And from here, I can send them a message. Something, hello. And then once I type the message, you have these, you can put the emojis, or you can also add files, I think, or pictures. And after you have done add all the stuff that you need to add, click over here where it says like the send arrow. This is the arrow that you click when you're done. There you go. You have sent them a message. All right. That's how you send a message on Zoom. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.